Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this ABUS lock that I got in the last package that I showed you. And because I'm really comfortable with ABUS, I just thought I might try and pick this for you. Let's see what it takes to get inside. Nothing on 5, 4, 3, 2's binding, little click, and nothing on 1. Nothing else on 2, 3, 4's binding now, good click. Nothing on 5, back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 seems to be binding again. Nope. And I'm struggling a little bit to get on top of 5. Got a click. Got a couple of clicks. Don't know if it's set yet. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Four was fighting a little bit. 1, 2's binding now. I lost something else when I released the tension. I think I got 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. 5 seems to be binding now. Got it. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2. Little click on 3. Little something on 4. Counter rotation on 5. But it's not setting. There we go. Back to the beginning. 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4. Lost a little bit of tension, but I got into a deeper falset. Maybe I overset something here. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Just touched it and moved into a deeper falset. Nothing on 3. Little bit more movement on 4. And nothing on 5. Little click out of 1, little click out of 2, counter rotation on 3, got it. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, little click out of 4, I think that's it. On 5 now, and I think that's also it. Back to 1 little click, 2 little click, 3 little click, 4 little click, nothing on 5. 1 little click, counter rotation on 2, got it. Nothing on 1, 3 came back, got it. 1, and we're open. Okay, 4 minutes, yeah, that's okay. I really just want to see what's inside and try out my new 3D printed tools that I got from FT. Okay, so to get this, Let's get a close-up of these. If anyone knows which kind of ABUS this is, it's very much like the one I just talked about. We have all standard key pins, apart from, no, you're standard, stop getting in my way. Apart from this one here, which has a little tiny serration. If this thing focuses, maybe you can see it. Can you see it? Let's have another try. So that one has a serration here at this part. This is like a barrel pin. It has these little notches on the top and at the bottom, like a turnaround spool, so to say, and 4 spools. That's all I have for you today. Just wanted to show off my new 3D printed tools. Thanks again, FD. As you can see, I'm still practicing. The mangled springs are a lesson to be learned, apparently. Maybe it's just me though. Maybe nobody else had to learn those lessons. Okay, let's try to make this a little tidier for everyone to see. And I should actually check if the serration in this key pin makes any sense at all. The longer ones don't have it, so this one has it. That is chamber 4. Okay, so that is chamber 4. And that definitely works. And the spool also engages. All right, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.